So my friend is here. This is car parking. So he's waiting in this Bolt car, Chevrolet Bolt, a small one, good one. So I will go with him. This is Google office. You can see beautiful pine trees in Google campus.
Turn left.
These are all Google offices. It is 25 acres in Mountain View. So we are touring in Google campus. So we will try to visit offices. He's Rakesh. He is working in Google. So he will show his office. Will take me into his office. So the food is also free here for visitors, for employees. So again, Indian food is there and other varieties are there. So we came here in 2021 but took a couple of photos, videos at Google Drive, here at Google Drive, and then we went. So today I want to visit with him with the help of Rakesh. So this is Google Drive. So here I have to take pass for guest. So using my international driving license, I took a slip here and then we went to that guy sitting there and he has given me pass. So I have to use this pass to, this is the pass with my name. So it's a guest pass. First video is, this is a Google. Okay. So normally we can't enter into this office because I am with Rakesh. He is a Google employee. And so these are the different buildings. This is 43 building, and I have also taken pass. So that is the reason, I can tour the entire office. So this is Google campus, excellent campus. This is cafeteria. There is a free meals here. There are almost like 20-25 cafeterias in Google office. So this is the cafeteria, central cafeteria in Google. So it's a free food here. Samosa chaat, dahi potato, pav bhaji, masala pav. These all Indian varieties in Google office, Google campus, Google cafeteria. So see, this is the izakaya, soups. So you can see Indians. So we are waiting for the fruits. So this is the food I have taken today. Fruits, chaat, pav bhaji. So, and we are sitting here and eating. So this is the place people sit in. So people are having their lunch during lunchtime. So it is 12:30 p.m. So people are enjoying at 12:15 p.m. So we have finished our lunch, myself and Rakesh. So this is Google campus. You can see small Jurassic Park. So employees, they came with their guests. I am also a guest today in Google. The beautiful campus. So I have taken apple juice. It is also free. So all drinks, food, chat, everything is free here in Google. This is building 41. So total how many buildings are there?
నెంబర్స్ అలా 40 ఉంటే కానీ అన్ని ఉండే డౌట్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అనమాట.
ఓకే
కౌంట్
ఓకే ఓకే
ఇనిషియల్ గూగుల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అది హ్యూజ్ ఉంది అని చెప్పొచ్చు. గెలవడానికి జనాలు స్టార్టింగ్ 40 అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు.
కానీ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ బిల్డింగ్స్ 150 ఉంటాయి కదా అక్కడ సియాటిల్ హెడ్ ఆఫీస్.
అక్కడ కొంచెం చాలా పెద్ద ఉంది. ఇవి టోటల్ 40 ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి అంటే డిఫరెంట్ లొకేషన్స్ కలిపితే. మౌంటైన్ అయితే నాకు తెలియదు.
ఓకే see beautiful, we can come here and sit using Wi-Fi, we can work here, so ikkadane work chesukochu kada anywhere Wi-Fi untadi campus. Okay, there's a small canal in Google campus. So these are different buildings. See the trees, beautiful trees. So this is one more cafeteria. So there are 20 to 25 cafeterias in Google. All are free for employees and visitors. So we no need to pay even ₹1 or $1. So that is excellent. There is one more cafeteria. See how big it is. It is bigger than the cafeteria where we had lunch. There are sandwich, salad, falafel, chicken, all varieties are available. See juice, water, very good dining area. So we are doing for the price. Automatic drink. Use cups here. So we can also take bike. So Google bike for free, and we can use it. So this is the bike, but it's only one bike. So Rakesh is checking if we have another bike so that we can tour the campus on bike, and so that we can finish quickly. So because he has meeting at 2 o'clock, so he has to drop me off at Mountain View Cal train station, and then he has to come back like 10 minutes going, 10 minutes coming back. So and he has to attend his meeting at 2 o'clock. He is from Nagar Karnool, Mehboob district. His wife is from Kamareddy. So we saw 2 bikes parked there. So we are going there to take 2 bikes because we need 2 bikes. You can see squirrel. Indian employees, Indian origin, I mean to say. So these 2 cycles we are taking. So I am taking a bike. So riding a bike in Google campus. Cycling in Google campus. Very good experience. You can see the Google campus, and I used to cycle. I used to go to my school in 10th class, almost like it is like several decades. So Rakesh, my friend, is also going on bike. So cycling at the same time taking video is a bit tough. Okay, this is the big park in Google, very big park. So this is used for events, keynote events in Google campus. This is Google store, so like Apple store, we can buy Google products here. We can also have coffee, tea. Excellent. So Google Pixel is their phone. Yes, thank you. So this is inside Google store. We can buy their phones, their watches, so everything, AirPods. So this is a store exclusively Google Pixel phones.